Let me show you how I'm generating targeted leads on LinkedIn, and I'm only spending 20 minutes today, something I know you can do for yourself. What you can see on my LinkedIn pages, you can see this one has over 6,000 members. You can also get them to opt into your database. Take a look at my Aweber database. This one has over 600 leads. These are real professionals, entrepreneurs, business owners that join LinkedIn and then opted into my database. I spend less than 20 minutes a day and I'm able to build a targeted list. Hi, my name is Jonathan Oshiveri, and I'm going to show you how much I make per day using the list building method you just witnessed. Listen, if you're struggling to get leads, pay close attention to this video. Today, I send affiliate offers to my list. This is the very same list I built using LinkedIn. You see, building a list with LinkedIn is easy. What I really like about it is it's free and it has far less competition than the other social media platforms. But you have to know what to do. This social media platform has been neglected by most marketers, but that's their loss and our gain. Now, I've been testing this software for quite a while now, and I really wanted proof before releasing it. Today, we can share our results. Check out this study from Kissmetrics, a respected social media agency. They discovered that 80% of a business social media leads were results of LinkedIn. Yeah, I know it's hard to believe considering the numbers on Facebook. I can honestly say that LinkedIn is by far the best social media platform there is for generating high quality leads. As you can see, with over 560 million users, LinkedIn is now regarded as the most effective channel for lead generation and getting clients. See, the secret to making money with LinkedIn is to connect with the right audience. Then you want to engage and capture their leads. Just have a look at my results obtained with only 20 minutes of work per day. Today, I'd like to introduce you to my secret weapon. It's how I earn over $100 days working less than 20 minutes by capturing leads on LinkedIn. Let me introduce you to Linktify. Linktify is a software I use to generate tons of traffic on LinkedIn with little or no competition. The good news, LinkedIn loves it every time I share awesome content on its newsfeed because they love the engagement. From this engagement, I generate high quality leads. Here are some of the benefits of Linktify. First, you've got the Linkedtify feed. You can get access to the Linkedtify feed to post awesome content on LinkedIn's newsfeed. You can schedule a post, you can do it manually and automated. You get 5 messenger apps. Choose from over 30 messages to connect with your ideal prospects and get engagement. Then you have the headline creator. Create the best headlines for your LinkedIn profile and for your clients as well. You get 50 shareable quotes, which are doing wonders right now on LinkedIn. But wait, there's more. I've put together an amazing resource for you designed to increase conversions. Profile banners and images is everything on LinkedIn. And in order to have subscribers wanting to join your list, we need to make our profile look $1 million, okay? Now, you can either pay designers hundreds of dollars to do this, or you can use a done-for-you library of graphics, images, banners that make your clients and your profile look professional and expensive. Now, according to LinkedIn, images and banners are much more likely to make readers click through to your profile and your posts. So you're gonna get this top banner creator as well as part of the Linktify software. You're gonna be able to create gorgeous looking profile banners with commercial rights. That's right, the right to sell the designs to prospects and clients, and there are millions of them on LinkedIn. Now, in addition to the Linktify software, you're also going to get our comprehensive LinkedIn training. We're calling it the LinkedIn Advanced Mastery Training. Okay, you'll learn how to turn connections into leads, then high-paying clients. You'll be able to learn how to use our software to upsell your other services as well. Now, LinkedIn and Microsoft are working on something big. They only reveal this to heavy LinkedIn users like myself, but I'm going to reveal it to you in my new book, which is called Linkify and Microsoft Partnership. Okay, what you're gonna learn today in the next 90 days. Okay, check out the remaining benefits and features below the video. You'll have LinkedIn members literally waiting in line to join your list. Now, this offer is strictly time limited, so if you're serious about building a list and getting clients, high ticket clients in 2019, then click on the buy button right now and get instant access to Linktify before the price goes up.